Alright, today we're going to do a flip through of this German Barbie magazine. I think it's from 2020. That's the copyright on it. My friend sent me it from Germany. I think I had it for obviously a while. It's got all of these cool accessories, and sometimes when you buy these magazines at the store, I'm not sure that they're official Mattel, but on the back of this package I see that it does say copyright Mattel. And from the images that I'm seeing, they do look like other versions or molds of accessories that I have seen before. So that is kind of exciting to see what is in here. Am I going to try to peel this off without ruining it? It's like that. Whoa, credit card glue. We've got slate and one of my favorite, oh yeah, it's coming off easy. One of my favorite Barbies with her molded hair. Barbie color reveal head on a WWE body. That's how I roll. A little thicker, a little healthier looking Barbie. Alright, yeah, so here is the pack. You can see all the German writing on the back. There's lots of stuff it says, but it says 2019 Mattel on this accessory pack. I wonder how much stuff is in here. A couple headbands, computer, some shoes, some necklaces for girls only. Guess I'm not allowed to wear it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Maybe Slade will wear it. Maybe the chain will be able to be manipulated. So let's take a look at the magazine before we get to the good part. It does say that there are something about accessories or something. There's sunglasses. They have folding sunglasses on here. I don't know. I don't see any sunglasses on the images. Alright, so there are a few sets like this that are coming out recently where you can construct houses like this. I don't know what any of this says, but it says some good stuff. Polaroid, spotting the difference. There, that looks like a fun page. What's going on here? We got Uber Barbie. We can follow these mazes. I guess I can't do everything. I kind of want to. I think I tried one of these, and it went right back to her. But there's only, fun activities that I think you could take advantage of even if you weren't German. There are Barbie's parents. We've moved on since this series. Was this a Netflix series, if I'm not mistaken? And I don't think that the grandparents are in anymore. Is Grandma a MILF? She kind of is. We like grandmas here on this channel. We're down with the grandmas. I was just looking at my analytics. On some of my videos, 100% 55 to 65-year-old viewers on my channel, which that is my demographic. I'm so happy with that. Welcome, viewers. Alright, we got some crazy stuff going on there. I guess this is some kind of story. This does look like the stuff that we see online. I guess that whole Dreamhouse Barbie talking to the camera, is that stuff over? As far as I know, it is. I don't know what's happening on there. Are we going to get to some good stuff? Here is another, I think, spot the difference kind of thing. I guess that's very common in German. And then I don't know what you're supposed to do down here. You're supposed to write a script or something for what's happening there. Alright, and then over here we have Barbie. Oh, giving us a sneak peek. I guess let's look at that. Are we getting, maybe it's mystery. Maybe we don't, wouldn't it be great if we got those 3 shoes and those 3 purses and all of those accessories? Do you think we're getting all that stuff, or do you think we're just getting one and it's a surprise? That would be cool. So I still don't know. It's still going to be a surprise. I have that outfit for Slate actually, because Skipper Stacy I believe was wearing it, or Skipper, maybe Skipper was wearing it, and it fits on Slate really, really well. Or it's a similar outfit in the same colors. Oh, here's a poster. We like that. Daisy. That's the Barbie. Is that Teresa? Rochelle. I think they changed her name. Raquel. I think it's something else in the show. They like to change the names. Ryan was once a kid and then he became a man. Or is it the opposite? No, yeah, there's no little boys anymore. There's Otto, I believe, is the name of the only little boy in Barbie Land. Nice art. I don't know what's going on here. Would you wear these outfits? I most certainly would not. Oh. Malin. I don't know what she's saying. What does that mean? Right over here. Oh, we've got some recipes for making muffins. I like baked goods. I like baked goods a little too much, so I don't eat them. Oatmeal and pineapple, that's what I eat instead of eating baked goods. And then over here, I've actually done on my original channel, I have many Barbie Dreamhouse, Life in the Dreamhouse collection videos, and it's a really good collection, and I do have all of those accessories kept separately. And there's a really cool picture on Instagram where I took every accessory and I put it in like a store display, and I love that collection. So I do have all of the Dreamhouse official dolls accessories separate in a box, and I do like them. What's going on this page? I don't know. Oh, it's a game. Of course I do. Look, I guess you make a spinner, or maybe you make a dice out of this. I think it's a spinner. Oh, it's so spelt there. A lot of words are very German oriented. We got little play pieces, so you can choose the character. What does Ken look like? Kind of nerdy. Ken's always the joke. That's something that Mattel does that I don't like, is they always make the boy characters, when it's a girl property, they always make the boy characters a big joke. They're always but I guess boys are jokes. So, and then we have some kind of, I think this is a telephone game or something. I don't know. You follow those arrows some way. Okay, and then we have something to color. This is our first coloring page, or I guess it's the first one that I'm mentioning. There's a dress. Maybe you can cut that out, and or maybe you're supposed to design it. I guess this page is all about coloring. And then back here, we've got, I don't know, I guess more cutouts. I guess you're supposed to find these things. Maybe. I could like there. I like how she's sitting. And Ken's playing the drums back here. Cute. I think that's the same head that they've used. And then Barbie and the Rockers. That's, no matter the incarnation, some of my favorite Barbies of all time. Oh, and here's that house from the very beginning of, I guess because it's a thicker cardstock, even though it's not that much thicker than the pages, you can cut out those people and stick them in front of this Dreamhouse. I would love to have a play set like this. Wouldn't you like to have a Dreamhouse that actually looked like that? Like that one from, I don't know what year it was. And then here is the back of the magazine. And these are the kind of sets that I'm used to seeing. And I have collected over the years. I do have some other sets for some other properties of items like this, but a cell phone, and look, cell phone, glasses, stethoscope, stethoscope. It's the same word in German. Maybe because it's a German word. All right, let's finally get to this pack and see what's in here. How are we supposed to open it? I guess there's zippers all along here. And will we get one? Oh, we're just getting one possibility. I still don't know if that's true, because that doesn't seem to be like it doesn't seem to be the category of what the picture says. So the first off, we get this purse with a heart on it. I don't know if this is official Mattel. I've never had this purse before. I don't like the heart on it. It does look like something from the 2000s where they would put more embellishments on it. I love a quilted purse, But this one, I mean, it's done in silver, which is good. Let's put it on Barbie and hang it off. She's got a stand on so she doesn't fall over, even though Slate did fall. How does Slate look with this purse? Could he carry the purse? Yeah, he looks good with it too. But we'll give it to Barbie. I'm not so sure. I don't like the heart. Alright, and then next up, there's tear tabs on each side. They're making sure people can get in here. So yeah, it does seem like they're giving, we're not getting every accessory. Okay, vac metal computer. I'm not going to bend the mechanical hinge. I have never gotten this. I like the screensaver. It's made very, very well. It's really super shiny. Look, it's got some scratches on it. It's kind of cool. And it probably, no, you know what, it doesn't close. There's no snapping closures on it anywhere or anything. But it is cool. Alright. And then, next up, we have some shoes, which I personally could have done without, because I don't use Barbies that have this type of feet. Now, I have had similar shoes like this, but this stuff separates a little bit more. Super rubbery is the heel does seem a little more sturdy than usual on some of these rubber heels. But you let me know down below, have you seen these accessories before in official Barbie releases? Maybe this isn't official Mattel. This does not look like any computer that I have. So, and then these shoes look similar, but not like any shoe I have in this purse. Again, similar, but not like any shoe I have. And the last thing, I guess we got ripped off. So I wanted more. I wanted more accessories. Where's the part that tells us what possibilities we could have gotten? Had I known, I would have said, I want this, and I want this. Alright, so we got these shoes, these shoes in silver, but out of all of them, those are the shoes I like the most. And we got this purse in silver, and out of all of them, this is the one I like the most. Cell phone. I have a lot of cell phones. It might have been cool if it was actually vac metal though. And then out of these things, see, that looks like an official Barbie necklace that I have. That looks like an official Barbie headband that I have. The hairbrush, the glasses, could have been cool to see what the glasses were like. But I mean, the computer's pretty deluxe. And then lastly, for her, or maybe I can give this to my future wife. Maybe that's who will get this 4 Girls pack. And I did get it, if you could get it in purple. Oh, and then this color, like, why are all the colors messed up on this one? This color is in blue. And then on here it shows it in purple and pink. But, you know what? For the first time ever, the chain isn't like too little girl short. It does look quite long enough. Tape's been really sticky for me recently. I think it might be, maybe it's the time of year that it's so much warmer, but usually that hasn't been happening. But yesterday I had all this sticky tape that was leaving film all over everything. But check out this. So out of all of the colors, the pink one is one that I would wear, and it says love on it, and it's a heart. Something that I don't normally like, but I have a feeling that this is going to look pretty good on me. But I could also take out the links, and I did this. Oh, I'm going to grab Slate and show you. I did this in a recent video where I made a necklace out of a charm, so that could be really good. he could do a bow, She-Ra Princess of Power bow cosplay with this necklace on it. Yeah, it's kind of good for him. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how well it fits, how well it looks on me. Maybe I might be wearing this all the time in every Barbie video. But I do want to show you. I do want to show you Slate in his Dollar Tree outfit, where, I mean, his scrunchy skirt isn't staying on very well. It's not tight enough, but he got a hair clip, and that charm came with the scrunchie. That was definitely a good deal. All pineapple themed. I took off his sunglasses. Enough being said, can I put this on? I mean, this is metal. Probably turn my neck green. Oh, it's going to be a choker. I guess I was right about little girl size. Maybe that's why it says for girls, because they have smaller necks. What do you think? It's delicate. Does it look good? Is it? What do you? I don't kind of like it. I can't see it right now. It kind of blends in. I've never had a tiny little chain before. It'd be oh yeah, let me see. Like they say to do this. They say that especially in the summertime, to wear jewelry. Yeah, this is my first. I hate wearing jewelry. I don't even like wearing glasses. I don't even like wearing clothes. It's kind of cool, but yeah, I'm never gonna wear this. So it does seem like this would be a nice thing for me to take apart. And let me examine the chain and see if it is. We do have to make another video about me turning real jewelry into, like, I buy dollar store jewelry and I turned it into belts and bracelets, and I made lots of videos on my first channel. But now that I have a dedicated 1/6 channel, it would be really good to do that again, because making the metal jewelry for your dolls does look really good. So that's how, I mean, it's competing with Barbie's giant bow, but this chain is quite nice, and there's lots of it, so I could make lots of necklaces and bracelets. Best thing about color reveal heads is that I can take them off easily and put necklaces on that way without you know, making too many what are these things called? Clasps. Yeah, see, the clasps get too big, and then I can barely open a clasp with my man hands on my own. So this one's already too small, and then they're always falling to the front. So it is better just to make a claspless necklace. What happens if we wrap this all around? We give her this really crazy. Oh, let me see the clasps in the way. Let's see what that would look like if we had this big chunked up gold necklace. Yeah, looks good already. We've got potential. Yeah, I think I'll be using this as accessory fodder for the dolls. Let me know if you're interested in seeing metal jewelry tutorials for your dolls in an upcoming video, because we do need to revisit that, and I need to go through my collection of that stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through and small accessory. I was hoping for more accessories. Did Slate try anything on? Yes, he tried on the purse and the necklace. I guess the key gets the computer. Is it in this color? Here, I was going to say goodbye. Oh yeah, look, he loves this new computer. It looks really good with him. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Until then.